In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple DIY recipe that anybody can prepare at home that can help you grow your hair and repair your damaged hair. If your hair is thinning out, if it's shedding or breaking a lot, you need to take this recipe seriously. And hey you all, let me give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here. There are a lot out there you could have watched, but you decided to click on this video, and that means a lot. But do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share with one person. And I would also love for you to join us, so do not forget to subscribe. Let's move right into it. So this is carrots. Carrots are really great when it comes to preventing hair loss, hair shedding, and hair breakages. If you are someone suffering from hair breakages, you might want to incorporate carrots into your hair care routine. Carrots contain biotin and other vitamins like vitamin A, which are all very important when it comes to hair growth. So what I did was I made sure to clean my carrots. I used some water to rinse it very well to get rid of all the dirt because we don't want that in our recipe. After that, I used my cheese grater to grate this carrot. You can always use anything you have. You can even chop it into little pieces. The goal is to have it as tiny as possible to speed up the extraction process. Alright, so this is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are also very powerful when it comes to hair growth. Fenugreek seeds contain iron and protein, and these are two essential nutrients that our hair needs. So in order for our hair to grow and thrive, we need some protein. And fenugreek seeds have it all. So I measured about 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seeds, then I put it in a mason jar. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I added about a tablespoon of curry leaves powder. This powder is really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains antioxidants and nutrients that can help stimulate new healthy hair growth. Curry leaves powder can also help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which will in return stimulate new healthy hair growth. Also, adding curry leaves powder to your DIY or your hair care routine can also help prevent hair fall. These leaves are very easy to find. You can even find them on Amazon or at your local grocery stores. So once I put everything in a mason jar like so, I top it up with hot water. And guys, I didn't use any specific measurement when it came to the water. I just made sure I put enough to cover all my ingredients. I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. We want all the nutrients in these natural ingredients, especially the carrots, to be extracted with the hot water. Alright, so what I did was I set the mason jar aside for an hour. After an hour, I had to strain it. It is very important you do a good job with the straining because you don't want any tiny particles from the curry leaves powder or the fenugreek seeds being left in your hair. So what I did was I first strained it with a metal strainer. Then after that, I strained it the second time with the paper towel. So once everything is well strained, you have your recipe ready. You just have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. And I'm going to show you in a minute. But if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright guys, so this is vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsules. You can use any brand that you have. Adding vitamin E oil will also add to the benefits of this DIY recipe. Also, vitamin E oil can prevent hair breakages and hair shedding. You can also add any essential oil of your choice. I decided to use lavender essential oil because one, I love the smell, and two, it also adds to the benefits of this recipe. It is also important to add 1 tablespoon of any plant-based oil to this recipe. I added olive oil, but you can feel free to add any plant-based oil of your choice. You're going to store this in a refrigerator. You're going to apply it 4 times a week. Massage it onto your scalp and also onto your hair strands. Do not rinse it out. Always follow with a hair moisturizer and be consistent with the use for faster results. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.